In this thrilling installment, we will continue to unlock the secrets of the parental control settings, turning your iPhone into the ultimate shield against the dark forces of excessive screen time. Stay tuned, brave guardians of the digital realm. And if you missed the previous episode, click the link in the corner. So let's jump in and find out more about family sharing and screen time. To view the parental sharings, tap on your name and then go down to family sharing, and then we'll be able to see all of the family that are attached to this parent. Up in the corner we've got the option to add a member, and we've also got the family checklist here. So let's have a look at the family checklist. Alright, this allows you to review contacts, share location, we set up share location, add a recovery contact. So there are various things you can do with that checklist. So if you've got any subscriptions attached to your Apple ID, this allows you to share those subscriptions. For example, you may have the Apple One account that allows you to share Apple TV and Apple Music, etc., etc. Purchase sharing allows you to share your credit card details, so if there's any purchases on your child's iPad, it will be charged to your credit card. Please bear in mind, if you click the link in the corner now, this video will show you how to set up restrictions for the App Store, so your children will need permission to install any apps. And location sharing allows you to share your location to other members of your family. So you want to know more? Why don't you click on one of the videos here and find out more about family sharing and screen time. Oh, and don't forget, if you like this, then subscribe and like my videos.